So here I'm trying to connect the USB with the TV, and just to show whether it works or not. So I've done the connection. I've connected the RF receiver to my smart TV. This is a Panasonic TV with my Sony home theater connected to it, and now let's start this. Air mouse, and right now it's in the mouse mode, and it indicates that it's in the mouse mode. As you can see, the blue light blinking. I'm going to change the mode into a keyboard. So now this is the keyboard mode, and you can hear the beep sound and the blue light blinking as it indicates that it is working. But it is not working at all with my TV. See, it is on right now, and the touchpad is working, but nothing is happening. Now let me show you the mouse mode. This is the mouse mode, and there's no cursor on the TV. Nothing is moving. Basically, it is not functioning for me. Let me take it a bit closer. You can see the mouse is working. You can see the light. But now when you watch the TV, there's no cursor or anything. So basically this product is a failure for me because it is not working with my smart TV, which is a which is a Panasonic, and it is not working for me. There's no mouse cursor, nothing, but the system is working, as you can see, and you can't see the mouse cursor or the indicator or the arrow on the screen nowhere, as I'm trying to scroll over it, but nothing is working. And the RF receiver is connected to the TV. You can see it there. This is where it is connected. Here. This is where it is connected, and it doesn't work for me. I'm very sad to see this, because my main purpose was to browse YouTube on TV, and it takes a lot of time to type the links through a remote control provided by the TV company. So after seeing this product, I thought it would be easy for me to do browsing, but I think it supports well with the Android system, and I'm not aware of the platform which this Panasonic TV is using. It's not an Android TV, that's for sure. So this isn't working for me. So I request the AliExpress team to do the needful for me. Either send me a mouse or a mini keyboard which supports my TV, this Panasonic TV, or else tell me something which has to be done so that this works with my Panasonic 3D TV. There's no doubt that it's a very good remote control, but the sad part is that it doesn't work for me. So I'm a bit sad for this. Otherwise, this product is good. This is the H18 Plus, which has come from China through AliExpress. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.